Fire, flood, major storms, wind damage, tornadoes, blizzards, ice damage. There's really no way to measure the devastation when disaster strikes. All you can do is start putting back the pieces. But how? Who do you even call when you don't even know where to start? Call the professionals who have successfully restored any size disaster for over 25 years. Perfection Property Restoration. We specialize in rapid, same-day response to large commercial fires and floods nationwide. We will work around the clock to get you back in business fast. We have the resources, manpower, equipment, and experience to handle any size loss. Disaster strikes at the worst possible times. On the weekends, unannounced, in the middle of the night, and there's never a good time for your whole world to be turned upside down, right? Well, from fire or water damage to mold remediation, contents restoration, and even reconstruction, our team is here and ready to go to work for you. We'll minimize downtime and get your home, business, and personal property restored to pre-loss condition fast. We're well known by insurance companies and property managers. We understand how to work with your insurance to cut down on delays and keep your restoration project moving like a well-oiled machine. We're a DKI member, IICRC certified restoration company. Our professional technicians attend ongoing training and education to ensure we're always utilizing the most qualified and effective restoration techniques in the industry. We use the latest technology and have one of the largest inventories of drying equipment in the Midwest, and our national catastrophe team travels to large-scale disasters across the country. So when disaster strikes your home or business, don't worry. You have Perfection Property Restoration in your corner. We won't rest until your world is restored.